Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We in the last lecture dealt with what is aptitude, nature and characteristics of aptitude along with the types of aptitude. In this lecture, we will be looking into aptitude of civil servants and the role and importance of aptitude in civil servants. So starting with the different aptitudes of civil servants. Hard working. See, it is where a civil servant might extend his working hours to get things done on time. See, in certain period of time, work might not get completed due to certain situations. So during that phase, a civil servant must work hard and complete and put some extra hours and complete the task. Innovation. See, a civil servant must think and act on the innovative ideas which can help in running the administration efficiently, and also satisfy the demands of all the sections of populations. Like, for example, Raj Bansal, IAS of Chhattisgarh, started Think Bee Startup Incubator, which helped the individuals and companies to acquire talent, which helped in scaling up the business. That's a good example of innovation. Adaptability. Civil servants need to adapt to the modern technology. You cannot stick on to the age old technology and still do no. You have to adapt to the modern technology. Like Samvita schemes aims to use drone surveying. Next one is skill to effectively manage and raise resources. See, usage of critical resources is very important for the civil servant, particularly to deal with the emergency situations. Um, let's take an example of Avanish Sharan, who was a DC of Kabirdam, also known as Sangi Express. Actually, he launched a series of bike ambulances which have cut down the expenses of people by 90% and impacted more than 4,500 lives in that district. That's something how you tackle idea to use the resources effectively. High level of professionalism. Civil servants should maintain the high level of professionalism in order to maintain their dignity in the position. Like, for example, Indian High Commissioner to UK Navdich Sama walked out of a book launch event attended by Vijay Malaya to avoid any sense of crony capitalism, and also showed zero tolerance towards the corrupt people. This shows his professionalism. Next one is skill of persuasion and negotiate. See, negotiating with different people to get clear idea and to solve any social issues is a part of job for a civil servant. That is something we should all learn and get our job done. Now, what is the role and importance of aptitude in civil servants? Diverse responsibilities. See, a civil servant is entrusted with diverse set of responsibilities, like ranging from administrative tasks, managing the finances, clerical tasks, etc., decision making, implementation of policy. Uh, there are various diverse skills which needed to be there. That's something aptitude and its responsibilities can help in doing that. Agent of change. See, the emergence of emerging concept of e-governance, where the motto says less government and more governance, brings in the machinery of government as well as in work cycle. A civil servant must aptitude to master the new technology, along with functioning as the agent of change to catalyze the reform initiatives. Former IAS officer O.P. Chowdhury's effort to boost science and technical education in Dantewada region of Chhattisgarh ensured this access to state-of-art schools and livelihood opportunities. See, that officer inspired many officers around the country to do something. Next one is solving moral dilemmas. See, civil servants usually face complex and contrasting socio-economic objectives and challenges which sometimes create moral dilemmas. During those phases, that aptitude brings in or comes in and prevails over the contradictions, which helps in solving the dilemma and keeping the spirit and perform in spite of the adverse circumstances. Next one is the collaboration to achieve objectives. See, under the framework of inclusive governance, administrators need to build teams across diverse stakeholders to create a favorable business climate in a city. For example, different stakeholders must collaborate together. The demands of a civil servant is to possess an ability to receive and act upon the feedback, and also act as an effective interpersonal skill to bridge the gap and encourage the collaboration between different stakeholders for the successive running of a business or city or management, whatever we can call it be. So hope you guys understood today's topics like role and importance of aptitude in civil servant, and along with the different aptitudes in civil servant. Do watch the lecture, do watch the series entirely, like, share and subscribe the channel, and keep supporting. We will resume the lectures in the next unit. Thank you.